Hi there! In operations and reporting, we often repeat the same Excel tasks manually, formatting data, calculating results, and updating dashboards. I faced the same challenge with my monthly temperature logs. Let me show you how I solved my struggles using Excel automations. Before automation, I had to clean every file manually. I start by preparing the worksheet, renaming and aligning the temperature and humidity headers, and ensuring all labels follow a consistent format for reporting. This prevents issues later when values from different files are combined. At this stage, I calculate the minimum, maximum, and average values for temperature and humidity. These metrics help summarize overall conditions and provide insight without having to manually inspect every reading. Once everything is formatted and calculated, I copy the entire sheet into a master workbook. This allows the reporting dashboard and monthly graph to update automatically based on the newly processed file. Completing all of these steps for just one CSV file takes around 2 minutes and 40 seconds of uninterrupted manual effort. And because there are multiple files every month, this entire sequence has to be repeated again and again, consuming significant time and attention. To eliminate all of this repetitive work, I created a VBA macro that automates the entire reporting process. With one click, the macro imports all 5 CSV files from the folder, formats each sheet instantly, standardizes the headers, centers the data, applies number formatting, and sorts the readings automatically. It calculates the minimum, maximum, and average temperature and humidity values without writing any formulas, and moves each completed sheet into the master reporting workbook. Once processing is complete, the consolidated reporting table updates automatically, and the bar chart refreshes with the latest monthly results. What previously took between 13 and 15 minutes manually now takes under 20 seconds, with zero effort, zero formatting errors, and fully standardized reporting. Thank you for watching. If interested, please visit our webpage for our social links to contact.